None of you is looking at my videos.
मैम अब करेंगे, टाइम आ गया मैम अब।
अब कम आ गया है? अरे सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए। सब्सक्राइबर्स भी बस मेरी फैमिली वाले ही हैं, कोई नहीं है। उनको भी फोर्सफुली करा दिया तो कर लिया उन लोगों ने। पक्का 120 व्यू, होपफुली। It should be more than that in fact, because if you suppose view 2 to 3 times na, that will also be counted. Arey, I was just kidding, not forcefully. If you require, then only watch. Otherwise, completely, it's not commercialized. That's why even I am not asking anyone to watch them. It's completely, if you seek a help, then only you go through that. Okay. Okay. I come back to the topic. I have started recording this. Okay. What I was saying, three equations are there with three variables, but we know the method to solve the simultaneous equation of two variables and two equations. So for that, what you will do, from any of the equation, again I'm repeating the method I'm telling, it will be applied on any of the equation and on any of the variable. So it's completely your choice. Either otherwise you can do, like just now I had given an example of equation number third, but if I'm repeating again, I'm taking equation number one. So suppose from equation number one, b I keep it on the left side only, and other terms I take on the right side. So it will be minus, it will be minus, and this 61.875 also will divide the whole terms. So you will be having the value of b in the terms of a and c. Now from the equation number 2 and equation number 3, we can eliminate b by putting those values in terms of a and c here in equation number 2, in equation number 3. So b will be removed. Now in both equations you will be having the terms only a and c, same here a and c. Now our aim is established, that we are having two equations with the two terms a and c. You can easily solve them by either elimination method. Elimination method is by finding out proper factor, multiply it, and see whether you need addition or you need subtraction. Elimination method. Otherwise substitution method. Substitution method is same like now I did. You can apply with the second and third method. So here what you can do, take the value of a in the terms of c, put it here, you will get the value of c. Again, value of c put in here, you will get the value of a. And after getting the values of a and c put into the equation number one, you will get the value of b. So that is called elimination method. And third method is cross multiplication. All of you know that. That is scissors type. You use that. A equal to this, a divided by this, plus b divided by c divided by cross multiplication. So there are three methods. So either of the method you can use and find the values of a, b, and c. Okay, this is the procedure of solving three equations. So संस्कार, any other doubt? समझ में आया या फिर दोबारा से elaborate करना है? I can do that, no problem.
आ गया।
आ गया? Okay. या बोलो।
कर वही यूज रहा था लेकिन बहुत लंबा जा रहा है उसके।
लंबा तो जाएगा. This is not easy. You will have to solve by that method only. और otherwise वो होता है वो cross multiplication वाला matrix you can make, but that is
नहीं
more.
नहीं ये
हाँ
easy
वो
है।
और भी ज्यादा लंबा बैठेगा, वो तुम पर नहीं आएगा. Otherwise your matrix method होता है. If you remember in, I know you don't remember any of you. In first semester there is a matrix, so you can apply the matrix method and you can find out. But that is literally very tough because you need to make a row element, column element, apply the operations. After applying the operations, you will convert the matrix into upper triangular matrix, and from there you will get the value of c. Take back substitution, get the value of b. Again back substitution, get the value of a. But that is more complicated. So better use this method only. और अदरवाइज यही है, मैंने तो सुना है कैलकुलेटर वाली चीज ही, घर में किसी का भी कैलकुलेटर हो यूज कर लेना. ओके, एनी अदर डाउट स्टूडेंट्स?
एक और डाउट है।
बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पूछो.
पेज 11 पे जो कर्व फिटिंग से पहले क्वेश्चन है उसमें लास्ट स्टेप नहीं आ रहा।
पेज नंबर 11, लेट मी सी. कर्व फिटिंग से ये वाला?
हाँ वो जो लास्ट लाइन।
अच्छा, ये जो लास्ट लाइन है,
हाँ
तो
फैक्टराइज कैसे करा।
इसको लेके धरा जाओ -5 सिग्मा एक्स सिग्मा वाई को. ओके,
ओके
फिर उसमें तुम उसको सिग्मा एक्स सिग्मा वाई प्लस 4 सिग्मा एक्स सिग्मा वाई आई कैन राइट दिस
हाँ
5 का जो टर्म है इसको ब्रेक कर दो 1
हाँ
प्लस
हाँ
4 में. ठीक है, -1 -4 हो जाएगा. गेटिंग?
हाँ।
फिर उसको सिग्मा एक्स वाले टर्म्स को एक संग ले लो. सिग्मा वाई वाले टर्म्स को एक संग ले लो, पेंसिल से लिखो, जो मैं एलिब्रेट कर रही हूँ, जो मैं बोल रही हूँ उसको ध्यान से लिखो. एवरीवन हु इज हैविंग डाउट, प्लीज टेक योर पेन ऑन पेपर, स्टार्ट राइटिंग. आई एम टेलिंग यू द स्टेप्स. 2 sigma x square plus 2 sigma y square
यस मैम.
minus 5 sigma x sigma y equal to 0.
यस मैम.
Okay, next step, 2 sigma x square plus 2 sigma y square minus sigma x sigma y minus 4 sigma x sigma y equal to 0.
हाँ मैम.
हो गया. अब जो फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड नंबर वाले टर्म्स हैं उनमें से सिग्मा एक्स को कॉमन ले लो, तो आएगा 2 सिग्मा एक्स माइनस सिग्मा वाई. फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में से सिग्मा एक्स को कॉमन ले लिया,
यस
तो
मैम.
बचेगा 2 सिग्मा एक्स माइनस सिग्मा वाई, इजंट इट? ओके. प्लस अब सेकंड एंड फोर्थ वाले में से सिग्मा वाई, 2 सिग्मा वाई को ले लो, तो बचेगा उसमें सिग्मा वाई माइनस 2 सिग्मा एक्स समथिंग.
सिग्मा एक्स माइनस 2 सिग्मा वाई.
ओके. तो जो ब्रैकेट वाले टर्म्स है वो दोनों में कॉमन है, एक जैसे आ रहे हैं ब्रैकेट वाले टर्म्स.
मैम एक में
प्लस
हाँ
माइनस का
ठीक है
होगा
ठीक
वो,
है.
तो
हाँ
माइनस
हाँ
कॉमन ले लो उसको. प्लस माइनस
हाँ
का
हाँ
होगा तो
हो
माइनस कॉमन ले लेना, फिर वो सेम हो जाएगा.
यस मैम. आ रहा है आ
हो
रहा
गया सेम. अब
है.
वो
हाँ
वाले फैक्टर को एक संग ले लो, और जो बाहर वाले टर्म्स थे सिग्मा एक्स माइनस 2 सिग्मा वाई, आई थिंक उनको एक संग ले लो.
यस मैम आ गया.
ठीक है. इफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ बोथ टर्म इज जीरो, देन वन ऑफ देम मस्ट बी जीरो और बोथ ऑफ
हम्म.
देम आर जीरो. तो वहां पे तुम इक्वल रखोगे, ये वैल्यू आ जाएंगी सिग्मा एक्स की सिग्मा वाई के टर्म में.
हो गया मैम. बस
हो गया.
इतने डाउट्स थे.
बस. चलो, संस्कार का तो हो गया. और एनी अदर डाउट स्टूडेंट्स? आई थिंक श्रीगन एंड श्वेता तो आर हियर टू हैव फन ओनली, because they guys have prepared everything, so they are laughing on others. Anyway, any other doubt students? Preran, Sri Raksha, any doubt? Sahana?
मैम कोरिलेशन में थोड़ा सा डाउट है.
Correlation. विशाल है, कौन है? बोल कौन रहा है? विशाल. ओके.
मैम
इन कोरिलेशन. कोरिलेशन में कौन सा वाला, कार्ल पियर्सन या रैंक?
कोरिलेशन में
There are two methods to find the correlation.
ये
Sorry, not getting. क्या कह रहे हो?
जो वैल्यू फाइंड कर रहे हैं ना ब्रैकेट्स में, यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन कैलकुलेट,
ये वाला ना?
हाँ वो नहीं समझ
उस
में आ रहा.
दिन भी मैं तुम लोगों को स्पेशली बोल रही थी, दिस इज क्वाइट टफ बाई वेरिएट, जब तुम्हारे पास दो वेरिएबल का डेटा हो. यही है या कोई और भी डाउट है?
नहीं मैम, ये ब्रैकेट में जो वैल्यूज फाइंड करना है.
अच्छा, ओके फाइन. See here, everyone can see it, because I know many of you will be having doubt in that. Because you have not started yet, that's why you are not having. Otherwise, definitely you will stuck here. This data is already given, Vishal. 18 here in row you will take x and column you will take y. It's your choice. Otherwise, you can reverse the position. That's not a big problem. Okay. I will take. How many problems are there? 2 only. Okay. So here. Okay. And out of the bracket, the data is already given. 420 here. The data is given. We will write it. So you will make column of the same kind for x and same for y. These same you will write. So midpoint, first value you will find out midpoint if the interval is given. But for ax here no interval is given, so we need not to find out midpoint. Okay. Directly at 18, 19, 20, 21 दिया है, तुम्हें midpoint निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. But here 10 to 20, 20 to 30 दिया है, तो तुम्हें midpoint निकालना है. Here next column you will make of deviation dy, same like dx. After that f dy and f dx, same f dx square f dy square. विशाल यहाँ तक दोबारा एलिब्रेट करने की जरूरत है, सीधा सिर्फ ब्रैकेट वाला बताना है?
ब्रैकेट्स वाले
है ना? ठीक है फिर. So the last column is f into dx into dy. Here the deviation of both x and y are multiplied with the frequency. Then how to do that? For that, we need to find out this f dy dx for the individual cell, because each cell is having the relation of the frequency and the with the x and as well as with the y. So how to make that for particular 4 I am telling. So this will work as f here, f. For corresponding this f4, you will see what is the dx. Come down, dx is -2, okay? And for dy is corresponding is -3. So what you will do, 4 into -2 into -3. So minus minus become plus, 3 into 2 is 6 into 4, 24. Like this. For each cell you will do. Like this here, we are having 2. For 2, dx is -1 and dy is -3. So here will be 2 into -1 into -3. So minus minus again plus, 2 into 1 into 3 is 6. So that's why it's a 6, like this. After doing for each cell, you will put in this values in bracket, and for the summation, these bracket things are added together. Like for the first row, I tell 24 plus 6 plus 0 is 30. So here it's 30. 20 plus 8, 28 plus 0, 28 only. 28 minus 8, 20. So that's why 20. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 0, 20. 20 minus 11 is 9. So that's why 9. Same for this column we'll do. This was done by row wise. Now again for column wise, 24 plus 20 plus 12. So 24 plus 20 is 44. 44 plus 12 is 56. Here it is 56. So 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0. So like this, they are added together. The bracket terms are added together. That's why. विशाल समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
या अभी भी डाउट है? कोई बात नहीं, मैं दोबारा बता सकती हूँ अगर डाउट है तो.
No, ma'am, clear.
Clear? Okay. Okay, so Vishal is also clear. Now any other doubt, student? Today strength is nice, huh? After getting the scold of yesterday, 35 are there. Otherwise 22, 23. Any other doubt, student? Prasanna, we have not called you to sleep. Any doubt you can ask? Trisha, why this much leniency? You know how, it means like how much effort you have made to get pass in third semester. And again, you are showing the same attitude. Definitely you will get fail if it is like that. And one more thing important. All of you were expecting that we will not be having exam, but we got a circular from the BTU. Exams will be there whenever the college reopens after that 3 weeks, definitely. So it is expected till now for the students. The college will start from June month. They are expecting. And after 3 weeks in the June month only, means like you can say the last week of the June or otherwise in July, you will be having your external exams. So be serious regarding these all online classes, not only of particular subject, for all the classes. Exams will be there. Till June holiday, no, I am telling June college will open. So till May only, Shweta. For you guys, not for us. For you guys at least, for May month. That is not the point. Why not the point? Because I know if the exams are not there, none of you is going to study. Except Vachan, might be you study without having the exam, but 99% will not study. Any other doubt, student? Vachan, you are having any doubt? You can ask. There are 4 topics: Karl Pearson's coefficient, rank correlation, regression analysis, and curve fitting. There are 4 problems, 4 topics are there which are going to come in the exam. So be serious. I don't want any of you get fails in that. And the reason comes that online classes. One more thing, in regression analysis, I was thinking to tell you, I am not sure. First, to tell me how many of you have even tried the questions from the question bank of the module 4? Shweta is very happy. Okay, Shweta, you are very happy. We know, but let the others also say the same thing. Shweta has tried. Any other girl who thinks like it's. See, Saima is giving you ovation. That's why. Anyway, any doubt? Okay. One thing I was telling myself, only Shweta has tried from the question bank. So one of the question was there, which was not done in this online class. That's why I am thinking at least to make you comfortable, that type of question also can come. See here, regression analysis was there. Formula we had n summation uv minus, this was coefficient, this is curve fitting. This is regression. So here what we have done in the questions generally till now, the two equations were given and from them we were finding out x bar and y bar. But sometimes instead of giving this type of data, we can be having the data in the terms of x and y as a tabular form, like we had for correlation, this type of form, and then directly then find the regression coefficient for the given data like this. The question can come like this: compute the regression analysis or compute the regression coefficient for the following data like this. So in that case, it's, you know, the formula of regression coefficients are this. It will be your work to get the table of x and y, find out the x minus x bar and y minus y bar, calculate r, and then you will put into this formula r sigma xy sigma y. Okay, that is having very less probability to come because this type of problem only will come that I have covered till now. But one question I saw in the question bank where they were asking for the given data of x and y in the tabular form. So try to solve that problem also, particularly that problem, or otherwise I am having a book but that is not of VTU. So that's why till now I have not shared with you, but I am planning to share one or two questions that type of from that book. So you can have an idea if suppose x and y in the tabular form the data is given, discrete data is given, then how to find out the regression coefficient. Okay, I will share with you on WhatsApp. Kindly look at that, and if any doubt you can ask me. Otherwise, any doubt in this module till now we have done. This module is actually scoring only because just formula based, but I feel and I know where you will get stuck is this to make the normal equations. I know definitely around 60% will do mistakes in this. And otherwise, the formula of coefficient correlation, definitely one question will come. I have not seen the question paper, so don't laugh ki ma'am has leaked the paper. This correlation coefficient is very important, the first one. Definitely one question will come based on this. And this rank correlation, if you just want to get past. Okay, one more thing. Only 25 questions enough, ma'am. See, Shweta, actually, it's not about the number of questions. I don't know which 25 questions you have done. Might be only 25 questions are only of Karl Pearson's coefficient. You just look at that. 25 questions are covering all the 4 topics. If all the 4 topics are covered, then fine. Quantity doesn't matter, quality matters again. Okay, so those 25 numbers, even if you are doing of one topic only, will not be enough. But if all 25 questions are having all 4 topics, then completely fine. Okay, so that will be depending on what topic you are doing in that. Only 25 questions are there, then fine. Then completely fine. Out of them, only question paper will come. Don't worry. Shweta is assured. She will get 100%. See how happy she is. First time I am looking at her like this. Even in the classroom, I have never seen her so happy. Okay, students, any doubt? Otherwise, your choice, I can start the next topic, 5th module. Sample theory. Sample theory. Otherwise, Preran, why are you crying now? If you say I will not start, even I am not in the mood to start. I will not start after the exam only. Okay. One more important thing. So this week, as I'm telling you, I'm not planning to start the 5th module. So I don't have any, I think there is no need of any class. So if you require, you guys, we have problems and we require a class, then you tell this problem to your CRs, or otherwise you can ping me personally, no problem. But better go through CRs, Vachan or Sujata. You ask them to send me a message, and I will plan a class in this week because next week is your exam already. He didn't feel as much as Shweta just. Vishwas knows everything. Okay, students. If you are having any, if you feel, if you any requirement of the class, ask your CR. He or she will contact me. I will organize the class. If I don't get any request, then I'm not going to conduct any class for this week. After the exam only, I will start the fifth module with the class. Is that fine, everyone? I know Segan till. Can you please explain the basic problem for me and Prasanna Kumar? No, not at all, Shrisha. Of course not. How can you even expect me? Okay, fine. Till then, practice. Okay. And yeah, Preeti MP and the who seriously, you guys na ask so much irritating questions. Who is telling me who can't access accelerator when I am asking you to access the accelerator for module 4, for even not only for module 4. Each module, I keep sharing the notes with you on WhatsApp even. LMS, it's already there. But I know few of you are having already problems in accessing that. So whenever I start the module, I have always shared the content with you guys. So don't tell me this excuse the fourth module we can't see on accelerator or this module we can't see on the accelerator. Seriously, such stupid questions. I really get irritated. 120 students are there, first year same questions, second year same questions. Ma'am, we didn't get invitation. Please go through your mails, update your app, refresh the page, check spam, check trash, and then come to me. Even though if you are not getting, it's not possible. If you have get a link of the one invitation, that you will not get the second. Why? Because I have made a group of your mail IDs. I am not going to change them again and again. It's the same ID only. If the one invitation was sent, then definitely other invitation will be sent only. Don't ask me such silly questions. Seriously. The students are asking me the code. Why should I share the code when I have sent you the personally invitations? No error, Vishal. Many of you were asking me the code yesterday, but when I scolded, they went through again their mails. They got the invitation and they joined it. It was happening yesterday, actually. You asked Sujata. Today, even in fact, it happened. Nitin was asking the code that he didn't get the invitation. Then Sujata told him again to go through your mail. He got the mail. And why these errors, debugging and everything comes only in the students' mail IDs? We never suffer. We never have these issues with the Gmail ID. I don't know. None of the mail from the principal I miss. None of the mail from the HOD I miss. But students always miss the mails of the faculties. It is not happening. It is not acceptable, Vishal. This issue, this seriously excuse is not acceptable at all. Because it is happening. You ask Shrisha, he only told. See here, now he's telling. And he was eating my head yesterday. Ma'am, I didn't get, ma'am, I didn't get. And now he's telling he got the invitation for the classroom. Because Shrisha, and even Prasanna, even I want to ask you, if you got the mail for the online sessions till 31st of March, then till 20th of April, were you sleeping? Did you ask your friends what is happening now? Why the ma'am has stopped taking the classes? Did you ask even? No. You are always bothered for the nonsense things, but you were not bothered at all. You didn't ask your friends what is happening, how the online classes are going, ma'am is taking or not. You didn't ask them. Then how would you get if that classes are running or not? If few of you are not getting, you were not bothered. You were sleeping. Okay, fine. Who cares? But as soon this exam thing came, now you are active. Okay, we need to write. We know that. Otherwise, ultimately time you will face the consequences. That's why you are coming again. So don't expect me now that I will teach you personally or I will give you the basic problems. Please don't expect me. In fact, I wanted not to allow you to write the second IU. But few of the faculties told, okay, let them write. So I told, okay, fine. I give the permission. But actually, I didn't want you to write the exam, Shrisha, you, Prasanna, and even Tarun. The whole group of you even. In fact, Sanjay has never attended my class. A whole group even, in fact. But anyways, why to waste the others' time? Okay, so student, it is decided for this week. I am not going to take any class. I repeat again. If suppose you require any class, you talk to your CR. CR will convey the message. I will schedule according to that. Okay. Till then, keep learning, do practice, and all the very best. And it will be of 2 hours online only. I think your coordinators has told you the method or procedure how they will conduct the exam. So properly you check your apps, it should be updated. That time don't create this scene, we can't do, it's not uploaded, we are not getting the link, this thing, that thing, etc. We don't want at all. We are not going to resolve those issues. Fix them up before, only before 27th. 27th is on Monday and today's Tuesday. Already you are having 6 days in between, so you can work on them. Okay, so do that. You, because you need to upload your answer sheets. Scanner also keep updated with you. You need to scan your copies. You need to upload the files either in our drives or might be in classroom apps. So it will be decided today. We will convey you. So be ready for that. Okay. Chalo. Till then, see you. Bye bye. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.